Hello students, I Rajkumar Shivare, PGT Mathematics at MSZ Jhansi. Students, in my previous video we had discussed about relation. But today we have to start a new topic, that is function. So in function there are two types of question based in our syllabus, that is one function and onto function. So let us start with one function. What is one function? Okay, so one function is this one. Range, every element has unique image. Every element has unique image. This is called one function. Every element having its only one image. This is called one function. So condition necessary for one function is put fx equal to fy. After solving we will get x equal to y. Then function is said to be one function. For example, and after this the one function is also called injective function, that is one function. And next function is onto function. Onto function is known as surjective function. Surjective. So condition necessary for this is put fx equal to y, then express x in terms of y. After expressing x in terms of y, we have to find that y exists for all x. Y exists for all x, or you can say that for all the codomains there exists a domain. Okay, all the codomains have their pre-image in domain. This is the necessary condition for onto function. Now take an example. Let a function is defined on natural number f such that n to n. Function is defined on natural number and fx is given by x square. Check the surjectivity and injectivity. So for injectivity, put fx equal to fy, that is x square equal to y square. So in this case square and square will cancel out and we will get x equal to y. So this shows that this function is 1. Okay, now onto function, that is surjective. So put fx equal to y, that is x square equal to y. Now express x in terms of y. So x equals to under root y. Now in place of y we have to put any natural number, and for any square root of any natural number, a natural number will come. Okay, let us suppose we are going to put y equal to 2, which is a natural number, and we will get x equals to under root 2, and it is sure that under root 2 is not belongs to natural number, so it is not a onto function. Now take another example. Yes, fz to z, fx equal to x square. Now we are going to check injectivity. So put fx equal to fy. This shows x square equal to y square. Now from here we get the two values of x, that is x equal to plus y and minus y. So this is not 1. This can be understood by taking another example. Put x equal to 1, we will get 1. Put x equal to minus 1, then we again get 1. It means 1 and minus 1 having same image 1. So this is not 1. This function is many one function. Okay, now similarly surjectivity, x square equal to y, x equal to under root y. Put y equal to minus 1, which is a integer, but x equal to under root minus 1 is not belongs to integer, so it is not onto function. So in this way you have to attempt all the questions based on the same topic. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.